Guys, this is Humpty Dumpty, and this is a chocolate Kinder Joy version that is made in Bangladesh. So let's try to open this one and let's see what's inside. But as you can see, we already have two toys on both sides. So the screen, they are from the other Bangladesh Kinder Joy that we previously opened. Just take a screenshot if you want to read all the details written at the egg. And without further ado, let's try to open this Bangladesh Kinder Joy. Grabe. Ang hirap buksan. Okay, so finally we were able to pry this open. And again, screenshot nyo na lang to see and read what's going on in the packaging. So right off the back, we can already see the toys inside. Now let's check this chocolate out and see what's going on. It looks dry and it's kind of hard. I don't think we can be able to eat this. Well, definitely I'm not going to put this in my mouth. I'm sorry. It doesn't even smell good. So let's check this free toy and see what's going on. And once again, this is Bangladesh Kinder Joy. And ito yung isa sa mga toy na nakuha natin sa mga nauna natin binuksan na Bangladesh Kinder Joy. We have toy car and this Barbie handbag. Looks decent enough, no? But yeah, it's obviously incompatible sa legit na Kinder Joy. Came with a very tiny instruction manual. I think I need to use magnifying lens to read this instruction, although yeah, I think the toy, it's a panda. Supposedly this is supposed to be easy to assemble. No need to read the instruction. It's straightforward. Just figure out the shape and where it fits. So here we have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the toy toy from our Bangladesh Kinder Joy. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching, and please support this channel by hitting that like and subscribe button. Thank you very much for watching.